Hello people on the internet. I am making this video in order to ask atheists a question. And the question that I want to ask is what you actually believe to be true about reality. And the reason that I want to ask this question is because I was thinking about atheism and what it actually is, and I think I realized that the reason why I and so many other Christians and theists of all stripes find so much difficulty in discussing things with atheists is that atheists are not actually presenting any claim of any kind about the universe, and so it's not really a two-way street of a discussion. It's just a criticism of whatever theistic belief that the person the atheist is talking to holds. Which, admittedly, criticism of a belief can be helpful at times. However, it generally will tend to work best if it goes in a two-way street. Part of the reason that I think it would be helpful to know what atheists actually hold to be true on an individual level. Obviously, atheism does not actually necessitate any specific set of wider truth claims. There are spiritual atheists as well as non-spiritual ones. But the point is, I would just like to know what you actually do believe about the real world. Where does it come from? Why is it here? Like, what do you actually believe about, I guess, questions of ultimate truth, ultimate questions? And I would like to respectfully ask that any atheists who would say that they do not take any definitive positions on any ultimate questions to please politely excuse yourself from discussions of ultimate questions, because absolutely anyone can say that none of the people who are actually part of that discussion are right. That doesn't actually advance the discussion. It's very easy. Everyone who is trying to have this discussion is trying to deconstruct the beliefs of others. So simply having a person whose entire part in the conversation is to deconstruct the beliefs of others is not actually helpful. It's actually quite similar to science. Unless you're actually presenting a theory of your own, it doesn't matter how many other theories you're debunking, because we're not actually advancing in our knowledge of the truth if all of we are doing is just saying that everyone is wrong. It's not helpful, it's counterproductive, and yeah. So I am just curious what you would actually put forward as positive truth claims on ultimate questions, how you came to those positions, and why you hold them to be true.